Hello dear friends, today we will discuss about the post-operative care of your transplanted hairs. Once the hair has been transplanted, it is very important to take care of these newly transplanted hairs so that the healing is optimum and the growth is good. For this, I will discuss some pointers which will help you in taking care of your newly transplanted hairs. First and foremost, you have to use the medicines that your doctor has prescribed or given you as a form of the kit after the hair transplantation. Usually, these are two things. One is an antibiotic which you have to take regularly to prevent any infection in the hair transplantation, and second is a painkiller that you have to use as and when required. If you need, you can take one painkiller or two painkillers in a day, and if there is any problem, you should consult your doctor. Friends, through this channel, we are giving you many informative videos regarding the health of the hair as well as other important topics. If you are liking these videos, do like and subscribe. If you have any suggestions regarding the topics that we need to cover, or if you want to inquire about a particular topic, do let us know in the comment section. If you want to look at our videos in the future as well, please press the bell icon for after subscription to the channel. The second thing that you have to take care on the day of transplantation is head elevation. Your head should be in an elevated position as compared to the rest of the body. This is to prevent any swelling coming on your forehead or on the under eye area. Now, when we are doing the hair transplantation, there are a lot of minor injuries which are inflicted deliberately on the scalp. These minor injuries can cause inflammation and swelling in the scalp as well as the forehead. With refined methods, now the incidence of these swellings is reduced to around 95%, but for those in those it may happen, the swelling will usually increase for 72 hours and then reduce by 72 hours. You can use a pillow or two pillows to keep the head end elevated. That will prevent the formation of the swelling. If the swelling is forming after 24 or 48 hours, you can also use a headband like a tennis headband to prevent it from coming down to your eyes. The third important thing that you have to observe from the day of procedure is exercise. You cannot exercise for 2 to 4 weeks after the transplantation, and especially heavy exercises like going to the gym, weightlifting, jogging and vigorous physical activities have to be avoided for 2 to 4 weeks. After that, you can gradually start doing your exercises because by that time the healing is complete. If you are doing any heavy exercise during this period, there might be micro bleeding inside the slits which we have created for hair transplantation, and the hairs will not grow well. Another thing that you have to remember is cleaning your transplanted hair. Now, from the day after the transplantation, you can start the cleaning. The cleaning process is little different from your regular cleaning in that you have to use a mild shampoo like a baby shampoo to clean the scalp. You have to pour a little bit of shampoo in your hand and you can rub the hands together to create some lather. Apply this lather on your scalp and wash it gently with mug and bucket. Do not rub vigorously, do not try to rub while drying your hair, because if you do that, the hairs will come out with the roots and they will not grow afterwards. Similarly, in day-to-day activities, when you are wearing a cap or wearing a round neck t-shirt or a turtleneck sweater, you have to be careful that you are not rubbing the scalp or the hair roots which are coming out. If any hair root comes out during this healing period, there will be bleeding from that site. To prevent that bleeding or to stop that bleeding, you can use a clean earbud, press on the bleeding point for 2 to 5 minutes and the bleeding would stop. And you should inform your hair transplant surgeon as soon as possible if any of the complications occur. That is it for now. Take care. Happy growing.